across the world to our first K-swap that we're doing. It's going to a 93 EG hatch, frost white exterior, palmy blue interior. Love that. Yeah, so it's basically, basic rundown is K24A1, complete long block out of a CRV, PRB rsx intake manifold, B-series throttle body, rsx type S 6-speed non-LSD transmission, AEM fuel pump. Oh, AEM Infinity, that's a big one. That's pretty much it. eBay mounts, RSX base axles. We're keeping it real budget here. What do you think we spent on the car so far, including everything?
Approximately 4,500.
What's that?
4,500 Canadian.
Damn, that's pretty cheap. So I think, yeah, that's kind of like a rough estimate off the top of our heads. We can do
Actual breakdown.
Yeah, once we're completed and cars running, because there's definitely going to be more in cost that
we got other receipts, so we could do that for sure.
Yeah, 100%. But we just thought we'd do a little quick intro here for part one. Kind of just explaining and kind of showing what's going on. But yeah, motors aren't out. That's what this video is going to be.
You'll see all that.
You'll see all that sort of.
And in the next videos to come, you will see the process of how we do the
yeah. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. I got the Z6 all put together yesterday. I'm eating a 7-Eleven glizzy because I didn't have time for breakfast. But let's start tying into this thing.
You guys
Green. Hey. We got our coolant and tranny fluid out. Hold on. A little ratchet?
Yeah. Didn't I just do it? Alright, axle is out.
Shit.
You got the other side off?
No?
Yeah. Why wouldn't you spray this shit with fucking penetrating fluid?
Okay, so at this point, looks like kind of a mess. But axles are out. Well, that's gotta get popped out of the tranny, but other side's out. Got the shift linkage out, airbox out. So we're just gonna start getting the radiator hoses out, radiator out, and then the exhaust manifold. After that, we just gotta take off the engine mounts, and this thing should be ready to come off. Axle out.
Yep.
About to get the radiator out right now.
This is Dawn's attempt to take out the T-bracket bolt. Oh my god. Attempt number 3.
What?
Attempt number 3.
No, this is tip number 1.
No. Yeah. First pack opening. Oh my god, Ronaldo. Yeah, fucking right. Wait, did it crack? What?
Okay. Hey, put some respect on my name.
That's abysmal.
The proof is in the pudding.
You're a fuck. Right, enough of this.
Turn it on a little more.
Huh? No, it's gonna be over, dude. We're gonna have something run around the fucking background.
Sure, blood. Alright, grab the ratchet strap.
Yes, tension on.
Tension her.
Tensioning her.
That's good?
I tighten it up.
Can I do a little more? One more pump? That's good. Okay.
Oh, you have the adult. Okay. I didn't see that.
Come down. It's gotta come out of the mount first. Oh, it's gotta come out of this side. Yeah, keep going. Because it lost a bunch of slime. Hold on.
Lost a bunch of slime?
Chill, man.
It's off?
1 sec. Okay, we're good. Pull it forward a bit. Yeah, that's it. Okay, now line up the trolley. The dolly trolley.
Dolly!
You line up? Okay, try coming down. Oh, yeah, you're good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Straighten it out.
Yeah. So I have to bring the dolly forward a bit. Okay, so this is the kind of sketchy shit we got going on here. Fuck, if it works, right?
Real fucking slow.
Just do the safety squint.
Oh,
What was that?
chain set on anything?
On fucking knees. Up. High as we go.
What's
Is that
that?
tall enough? That's tall, that's good.
What is that?
Put that side up one more.
Alright, we're
Okay.
up.
Okay, well, it's out. Not much else to say about that. Okay,
That was it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out. Take care.
what are we doing in the next video?
What are we doing in the next video?
So, what are we doing in the next video?
What are we doing in the next video?
Next video, we are. You don't know?
No.
You don't know what we're doing?
What are we doing?
Why are you so surprised? All right, next video,
I thought
we're gonna be
still
taking off the. You know what? Next video, we should probably clean the engine bay. We'll clean the engine bay.
Clean the engine bay.
We can. Maybe that won't be like the whole video.
That's not gonna be the whole video. That'll be a segment of the video or section of the video.
I'm thinking we'll probably be replacing the tie rod ends and taking off the passenger side.
Just things to prep for the actual engine.
Thanks. That's a lot better. Yeah, that's pretty accurate. We're gonna
There you go.
Basically,
That's all you
just doing
need.
prep for the motor to go in, and I don't know if we're gonna get to any prep on the actual motor itself.
Oh, you got time.
Yeah, next video is gonna be sick. Probably better than this one. This one's
This is a shit show.
this video is kind of useless, but anyways. All right, well, peace out.
Peace.
Thanks.
It's like you're trying to hang up FaceTime. Okay, see you guys.
Love
Bye.
you. Love you.
Love you.
Long time.
Talk to you later. See you tomorrow.